Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a form in ClickUp. So this is very simple and straightforward. Just keep in mind that you have to have paid version of ClickUp in order to create forms. First step in order to create form in ClickUp is hit this create button right here. Then go all the way down until you see form. It is this icon. Click on it. Now create a new form. As you can see, you can get started with form template or create a custom form to fit your exact needs. So the templates are feedback form, project intake, order form, job application, or IT request. You can also start from scratch. So let's say I will go to feedback form, and now I will just use this space project 2, and now as you can see it gives me upgrade to unlimited to get unlimited forms. So if you upgrade you can get unlimited forms, and this is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.